half-hour pickup, half-hour strap and go. Probably another half hour at the next stop, which is right down the street, to pick up the other fiberglass arms. And then I got an hour and a half drive down the road, and $650 in what, 4 or 5 hours? So that sounds good to me. Pays for my fuel. I just filled the truck up. Well, didn't fill it, but almost filled it. Put like 500 bucks in it. So this load's gonna pay for at least the beginning part of my week for fuel. So all right, let me get out of here and go get the rest of this load. This was what an hour and a half of loading and an hour long drive looks like. Probably gonna be unloaded here in about 30-40 minutes. So that's what that's like $250, $270 an hour. So right after this, I go pick up railroad ties going out to South Dakota. Not really where I want to go, but when they're paying, what is it, $4 and I think 80 cents a mile. Hey, I'll go out there. There's a few loads out there. I saw that they're paying pretty decent, so I guess I'll pop the camera on when I'm loading some railroad ties, and I'm gonna get out of here in probably, I don't know, 20 minutes tops maybe. I'll be out of here, so I'll see you.